Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're here because your JBL speaker is blinking white and making weird noises, you're in the right place. This is a super common issue, especially with newer models in 2025, and I'm going to walk you through some easy fixes step by step. Let's dive in. First, let's understand the problem. That blinking white light usually means there's a connection glitch or an error with your speaker. The noise could be from interference, a low battery, or even a software bug. Don't panic. Most of the time, this is fixable in just a few minutes. Step 1. Start with the basics. Check if your speaker is properly connected to your device. Turn off Bluetooth on both your phone or computer and the speaker, then turn them back on and try pairing again. Make sure you're within range and there are no other devices interfering. Step 2. If that doesn't work, try resetting your speaker. For most JBL models, hold down the power button for about 10 seconds until the lights flash. This clears temporary glitches and can often stop the blinking and noise right away. Step 3. Next, check for firmware updates. Head over to the JBL website, find your speaker model, and download any available updates. Installing the latest firmware can fix bugs that might be causing these issues. It's like giving your speaker a fresh start. If the noise persists, adjust your environment. Move to a quieter area, lower the volume, or check if something is blocking the speaker's vents. Also, ensure the battery is fully charged, as low power can lead to strange behavior. In conclusion, these steps should have your JBL speaker back to sounding great in no time. If you're still having trouble, reach out to JBL customer support for more help. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tech troubleshooting tips. See you next time.